Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to open a U.S. LLC as a non-U.S. resident in a clear and practical way so you can start your business from anywhere in the world. First, understand that you do not need to be a U.S. citizen or live in the United States to form an LLC. Many international entrepreneurs choose this structure because it is simple, flexible, and widely accepted for online businesses. The first step is choosing the state where you want to form your LLC. Popular choices include Wyoming, Delaware, and New Mexico because they have low fees and fewer ongoing requirements. If you don't plan to operate physically in the U.S., these states are usually the best options. Next, you need to choose a unique name for your LLC. The name must not already be registered in your chosen state and must include LLC or Limited Liability Company. You can check availability on the state's official website before moving forward. After that, you must appoint a registered agent. This is a company or individual with a physical address in the state who can receive legal documents on your behalf. Since you are a non-resident, you will need to hire a registered agent service, which is usually affordable and easy to set up. Now you can file the Articles of Organization with the state. This is the official document that creates your LLC. Most states allow you to file online, and once approved, your LLC becomes legally active. The next important step is creating an operating agreement. This document explains how your LLC will be managed, ownership percentages, and how profits are distributed. Even if it's not required by law, it is highly recommended for clarity and legal protection. After forming your LLC, you need to apply for an EIN, which is your U.S. tax identification number. Non-U.S. residents can get an EIN from the IRS even without a Social Security number. You can apply online in some cases or submit a form manually if needed. Once you have your EIN, the next step is opening a U.S. business bank account. This can be done either by visiting the U.S. in person or by using online fintech banks that support international founders. Having a U.S. bank account allows you to receive payments and manage your business finances easily. Now, let's talk about taxes. Owning a U.S. LLC does not automatically mean you will pay U.S. taxes. It depends on whether you have U.S.-sourced income or a physical presence in the country. However, you are still required to file certain forms with the IRS each year, so it's important to stay compliant. You may also need a U.S. business address, especially for banking or receiving mail. Many entrepreneurs use virtual address services for this purpose. Another important step is staying compliant with your state. This includes paying annual fees and filing reports if required. Missing these can lead to penalties or loss of good standing. Also, consider using accounting tools or hiring a professional to manage your finances and tax filings, especially if you are not familiar with U.S. regulations. So, the process includes choosing a state, registering your LLC, getting a registered agent, applying for an EIN, opening a U.S. business bank account, and staying compliant with legal and tax requirements. Subscribe the channel for more videos.